what if your digital identity could do more than just prove who you are? Manage permissions, automate tasks, and stay secure across different systems. This is what Dominia Plus enables on the ixo blockchain. Dominia Plus is a core protocol upgrade introducing 5 functional improvements to support decentralized identity, data services, and network coordination. Dominia Plus introduces DID-based smart accounts. These accounts empower users with greater control, allowing them to delegate actions, automate processes, and utilize passkeys for secure access. A new authorization model is also part of the upgrade, which enables organizations to delegate claim creation under specific constraints. The update addresses domain transfers, which in the past removed verification methods from digital identities or accounts during the transfer. Dominia Plus now preserves these methods, ensuring trust throughout the transfer process. Finally, the upgrade incorporates a security patch for IBC Go, along with several system-level improvements to sustain performance and interoperability. These advanced features are in alignment with the ixo 2025 roadmap and help support flexible infrastructure, verifiable identity and claims, and outcome-based systems where actions trigger value. Dominia Plus represents a foundational step toward ixo's vision of building a decentralized spatial web, linking real-world coordination with trusted, programmable data systems. To discover more, visit ixo.world.